When the Audi E5 concept was unveiled in Shanghai at the end of 2024, I was there. To be honest, I was curious then, could Audi actually deliver on that promise in a production car? Now, seeing the final result, the answer is clear. Audi did it. This is innovation realized concretely in China for China. And the industry has already responded. Earlier this year, the car was named the 2026 Car of the Year. Let's take a closer look.
And a key step in strengthening our position in the fast-growing NEV segment. From the very beginning, our goal was to create a vehicle that truly feels at home in China. We listened closely to local customers and combined unmistakable Audi DNA, engineering excellence, progressive design, and premium quality with China's digital ecosystem and innovation speed. The result is a bold, all-electric SUV that is sporty, multifunctional, and spacious, designed for everyday life.
And maybe we should talk about technology. How does the E7X bring Vorsprung technique to life?
Yeah, on the road, the E7X is clearly Audi. Up to 500 kilowatts of power, 0 to 100 in just 3.9 seconds, Quattro all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, and adaptive air suspension. At the same time, the technology is tailored to China with a level 2++ driver assistance system, developed for local traffic and a fully integrated digital ecosystem. We are already planning to introduce level 3 highly automated driving capabilities on the Audi E7X, marking the debut of this technology for Audi worldwide and in China. This is where Audi engineering and China's innovation strengths come together.
And naturally, I'm very interested to learn about Audi's next step in tech development. And how is Audi continuing to innovate in China?
Yeah, China is a key innovation hub for Audi. We are expanding local development with SAIC, including our new Audi Innovation and Technology Center in Shanghai. Looking ahead, 4 all-new Audi models are planned, ensuring innovation at market speed while staying true to what defines Audi.
The E7X is a powerful statement. Audi DNA, China speed, truly impressive.